but this turned out pretty good. It's touching the tub. Hi, and welcome back. Getting a late start tonight. It's about midnight, so I'll probably not be out there too long, but I did get this table cleaned. I think I'm going to use it as my welding table. So I think we're going to take the inner rocker off. Actually make a template first, the little piece we need to weld on to attach to the tub. Then we'll get that cut down and fitted, make sure the gaps are right. And if we get that much done before it gets too cold out here, I don't know if you can hear my little heater going in the background, but it's keeping the cool away a little bit, but not much. We may try to lay it on here and weld it together best I can, and then refit it on the Bronco. And then if we get that done, the inner rocker should be pretty well fixed how I want it to be. We do gotta take some more metal off of the inner rocker here to make it fit right, but we'll do that too as well when we take the inner rocker off. But that's my main goal tonight, is to get that inner rocker, everything on it that we need, so we can weld it to the tub and butt weld it to the piece of rocker that we left. And if I think we get that done tonight, we'll be doing pretty good. It's a cold night tonight, so probably won't do any painting. We'll save that for when it's not so cold. But we do need to take all the pans off and the piece we made and paint it all with that weld through primer. That way it's ready to weld in. So I think we're getting pretty close. Hopefully within the next couple weeks, we'll be starting to spot weld all the panels in. But anyways, let's jump over there and I'll show you what we're gonna do tonight. Don't know if you can tell, but starting to clean up around here. A lot of this stuff is gonna be donated. And then we got the stuff down here that's gonna be for a garage sale, hopefully to raise some money for the Bronco. But happy to have this cleared off. I do like having the space over there, but I'm thinking this will eventually be moved out to my back barn once we get the Bronco off the frame. So I figure the Bronco body is gonna go right through here, because I kind of want to leave, jump around here. Kind of want to leave this area open in case I do have to bring a vehicle in. And that'll give me some room to work on the body over here if I need, and the frame over here, or vice versa. But anyways, let's jump over here. We're gonna take this off in a little bit, because we need to grind just a little bit more of this off. And we're gonna make this piece here. I think we might take it off anyways, because I need to cut, I don't know if you can see, right here, this little piece, cut it off, and this should be pretty well ready to make a piece. And I think we'll just stick a piece on here or behind here, either way, and mark and cut it out, and hopefully we can weld that in tonight, or at least try to. I think what I'm going to use is a piece of the this is the inner rocker that we didn't use, piece we cut. So I'll probably just cut a sliver of this off and cut it the length we need. Already has a bend in it, so I think it'll work out pretty nice. So let's get this cut, and then we'll come back over here and get it placed on this and get that line made, probably with a Sharpie, and we'll cut that and try to get it to where we have a little bit of a gap so we can weld in it. If we get that far, then we'll set it on here, clamp it down with my welder, and try to weld again. But I'm gonna put you up on the ladder and we'll start cutting and fitting. Alright, this was the end result. It's stuck pretty good. I think there's enough weld there to hold it. So if you saw me welding, you could really tell I don't know how to weld. did my best. And you can see it does have holes still. Next time I go over them, I'll blow it out even more. But this hasn't been like it was a while ago, so gonna fit this back on there, make sure this works for us, and we'll go from there. All right, we got the inner rocker back in, and it's turned out very nice. I think we can hopefully butt weld that in. Kind of nervous about this big gap here, but this turned out pretty good. It's touching the tub. Might need to do a little bit of hammer work to kind of bring that closer, but I think there's enough there we can weld to it. And gaps through here are all right. So I'm pretty happy. I mean, cleaned up and a little weld through primer shot on it. And some holes drilled on this other side. Maybe I'll be able to get a couple. And that shouldn't go anywhere. I know it's not where you attach it to. At least I don't know. It may be. I don't know, but anyways, we got that done, so it's one less thing we have to worry about. Now, next time, we'll probably put the kick panel back on, try to get my measurement right here to here, because I think we're gonna have to lift this up some, because it's real tight right here. So we'll lift it up and then we'll hammer it back this way and back down over the kick panel. Hopefully get that sitting right. And that way we can make sure everything's where it needs to be. But yeah, pretty happy with how that come out. First time I welded it, I tried to move it and it moved easy. This time it's not moving at all. It's moving the whole rocker panel, so hopefully that means it's a good weld. I do know I need to learn how to weld. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. As you can see, it's getting cold out here. A little heater's not cutting it very well. I do like that we got that done tonight. And I'm liking how this is opened up over here, so I'm gonna be working in here, cleaning all this up and hopefully moving a bunch of it out. But next week or the week after, I can try to start spot welding in stuff. So you can see my welding is not that great. Between now and then, I'm going to be practicing a lot with the scrap metal we have. Just punching holes and trying to make sure I don't blow through it. That's my worst fear, is just making a bigger hole and just keeps on multiplying. But I think on this one I should have hit it, let it cool down, because it did warp a little bit, but not much. But we'll be doing getting the kick panel straight next time, messing with the floor, and hopefully we'll get it to where we can start welding. But anyways, if you like what you see, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday over the Bronco. And I think coming up a little under a month from now, it'll be our 1 year anniversary of working on the Bronco and me starting this channel. So it'll be kind of interesting. Thank you again. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please share. Really does help the channel out. And I'll see you on the next.